Hey guys, welcome back to Receptive Solutions, your one stop to travel, work, study, and settle abroad. Are you planning to visit Dubai shortly? If yes, you have made just the right plan for a memorable holiday. Dubai is one of the most popular cities in the world, and the cherry on top is traveling to Dubai from India has become even easier with the introduction of the new visa route. To look after the Indian travelers, the United Arab Emirates have introduced a new policy. This initiative is to strengthen the bond between Dubai and other countries. Indian travelers are also allowed to apply for a non-extendable visa with a validity of 60 days. You must have an Indian passport that is valid for 6 months from the date of arrival in the city. Apart from this, Dubai has granted a 5-year multiple entry visa to all the Indian citizens holding an Indian passport. In the Dubai visa on arrival process, navigate to the immigration counter, receive your Dubai visa on arrival, pass through immigration clearance, and you will receive your Dubai visa on arrival within 30 minutes to 3 hours. And make sure you purchase the travel insurance for Dubai trip so that you're financially covered throughout the trip. This was some news about the Dubai visa, and we will keep updating you guys with more such information. Stay tuned to our channel and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.